Okay, so you might probably heard of CPA marketing. So the question here is, what is CPA marketing and how do I earn from CPA marketing? And even as I am a beginner, how do I go by CPA marketing and how does it work? So currently, what is CPA marketing? So what CPA marketing stands for is cost per action. That's what you have to know. So someone is going to ask me, what is cost per action? So cost per action is you getting paid when people makes an online action with an offer that you are going to promote. What I love about CP marketing is you are actually not going to pay for anything. It's for free, and also you are not going to sell anything to anybody. All you have to do is to just promote your offer, and once people are making good use of this offer, you're also going to earn something at the end of the day. So let's dive into the video in order for me to explain much for you guys to know much. So first of all, you have to do is to just go to my YouTube channel or just subscribe to this YouTube channel out here. So all what I do on my YouTube channel here is to make money with you guys. Aside that, I don't do anything from there. So kindly subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, like this video, and also leave a nice comment under the description or under the comment section, and I'm going to take time to reply each and everyone, because whatever I'm doing here is an educative, and as I'm giving something educative, I'm also taking something out from you, so we are all learning from each other. So please and please again, kindly subscribe to this particular YouTube channel. So in order for us to promote an offer, there is a website that you have to promote these offers. So it basically depends on the kind of offers we are going to choose. So in this video, I'm going to show you this new website or this platform which is going to help us promote an offer that we prefer. So let's say I want to promote an offer to people. So with this offer, once people make an action, because CPA is cost per action, so once anyone use or going to make an action with the offer, I'm going to earn something out from it. That is basically about CPA marketing. But you have to note that CPA marketing is different from affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you are going to sell, but with CPA marketing, we are not going to sell. So this is CPA grip, as we can see on the screen. So just open a CPA grip on any of your network or any device that you've gotten out there. And the first thing you have to do here is to just provide your first name. You have to enter your last name. And of course, if you have any company, you can go ahead and do that. But it's optional for you to do that with the company. And also with the website, it's an optional. So with the street address, it's not optional. So there is the need for you to provide your street address. And of course, where you are currently right now watching this video. So I am currently in Ghana, and go ahead and enter your city as well. Okay, and the next thing from there is to provide a region or a state of which you are and provide the zip code. Of course, you can go ahead on the online or any Google platform and search in for your zip code and enter it at the postal code aspect here. Go ahead and enter a valid phone number, and then from there all you have to do is to just select your Skype address, or you can go ahead and enter your phone address too, or your phone number. So the next thing from there is to provide a valid email address. Very important, because you're going to get yourself verified out there, and provide a correct password. So your password have to come in with capital letters and numbers, and also a special letters. Okay, so go ahead and confirm the letter, and the next thing you have to do is to choose a time for yourself. Okay, so you have to choose a time currently where you are right now. So it's going to ask you, where did you hear Paras? So you can go ahead and enter YouTube, because currently you are watching this particular video from YouTube, and you can go ahead and click on or just type in on YouTube, and you have to take all these indicators. I've read, I've agreed, and also all these stuffs. Okay, so please and please again, make sure not to use a proxy or VPN. Okay, very important. And go ahead and click on the register button out here. So once you click on the register button, it's going to take you to the overview of this particular platform. So this is CPA grip. So basically, I'm going to take you through anything you have to know here in order for you to promote an offer. So we are going to choose a particular offer that we prefer and start promoting these offers to a various kind of people or individuals out there. So once they make good use of these offers, we are totally going to earn something out from the offers that we are promoting from CPA Grip. But if CPA Grip cannot be found on your country, please go ahead and comment down in the comment section. Just tell me it's not available, and there are a lot of marketing platforms of which you can promote your offers with. So this is the best of which I have been using, and it is actually helping me a lot. There are a lot of it out there. So we have the offer VAT, we have the click banks, we have a lot of them. Okay, we have the CPA banks and a lot. So this is the most important one, or this is the most relevant one I have been using for a longer period of time. So right now on the dashboard here, we can see the dashboard indicator. You can see the statistics, the monetization, the offer tools, and a lot of stuff. But in order for us to make money with this particular page here, we have to focus on my offers. So I'm going to basically take you through the dashboard, the statistics, the monetization tools, and then my offers, okay, or the offer tools. So this is how it's going to look like, okay. This is how it basically going to look like. So once we come to this sector, all you have to do here is to just click on offer tools. So once you click on offer tools, you can go ahead and click on smart links, generate links for yourself. But for the sake of this video, we are focusing on the my offers. So click on my offers, and this is how it's going to look like. But once before we get to my offers, let's go to the dashboard and let me show you something here. So as we get here, we can see people are making a lot of revenue or a lot of money from this website. As we can see here, you can see Vicky has earned 52.58 cents all time with 57 leads. So you can see a lot of people are making a lot of revenue from this particular platform. So you can testify from yourself from this particular website. Okay, so let's go ahead and learn how we can promote an offer for ourselves. So right now here on my offers here, on the top you can see country, categories, you can see the statistics, and you can also go ahead and search in for something out here. Good. So this is what we are basically going to do. I would like to go in for United States. So just choose the country you prefer your offers to go to. Okay, so maybe I want to promote this offers to United States, so I'll go ahead and choose United States offers. But if you're interested in promoting your offers in Zambia, in South Africa, in Germany, in UK, anywhere you prefer, you can go ahead and choose it from that aspect. Now, I recently said that CPA is about you giving out offers to people to make an action from it. So these offers that you are going to promote or people are going to make action from it are basically going to depend on the category of offer that you're promoting. So it might be that people are going to provide in their email address to make the action from there, or people are going to provide their credit card, people are going to provide in something from there. So here are the categories. So people can install a particular application. So once they get installed the application on their device, we get paid with it. So you can also go ahead with the pin submit, which have to do with the mobile phone number or something to do like that. Okay, so once people insert in their phone number, then you are boom, you get paid with it. You can also go ahead with the email address, which happens to be once people enter the email address with the offer that you are promoting, then you also get paid with it. But you can see we have the credit card aspect here. So once the people also submit their credit card details, then you also get paid with it. I don't actually promote you, or I don't actually advise most of my people to start with credit card offers as a beginner, although credit card offers have a higher payout because they have a higher amount of money allocated with them. But it's not advisable to go in for credit card as a beginner because it's very difficult for me or for you to enter your credit card details whenever it comes to something to do with online if you're not well trusted with that. Okay, so I like to go in for either email, mobile install, or pin submit. So it's actually depends on you for you to go in for that. So you can currently see we choose United States. Now you can see there are a lot of offers here. So you can see here it says install. You can see install and use the Alabama app.com and that of that. Okay, so you can see a payout of 1.0 cents. You can see the salt, you can see the net FR, you can see the conversion rate. So we can also see the conversion rate or the net conversion rate out here. So I'm going to take time to explain everything you have to know here, basically for you to know how it actually works. So this is the description. Once people really click on the link that you're going to promote, it's going to show them that install and use the Alabama app. You can see enter for 1,000 cash for summer and that of that. So this one is with 2.3 payout. So this means that whenever anyone clicks on it, you're going to receive the allocated payout right now here. So in case I just promoted install and use alabamaapp.com app, and once anyone clicks on this, I'm going to earn $1.07. Okay, so this is basically the amount of money I'm going to receive whenever someone clicks on it. Now, in order for us to know the best offer to promote, all depends on how we are going to rate the amount of offers here. Others use the payout methods here to check the kind of offers to promote, but I mostly use the net conversion rates. So in case I want to promote enter for 1,000 USD dollars cash for summer, then I'm going to receive 2.31 cents whenever anyone clicks on this link. So which have a conversion rate of 0.00 hash. So it says enter your information. You can see very down here, you can see enter your information now for a chance to win. So we can see claim your 75 USD dollars gift card now, which happens to have a payout of 2.07. So whenever people click on this, I'm going to earn $2.07 out from this. Now we can see basically we have some types here. Okay, we can see we have some types here. These types happens to be, we have the Android. So this offer is for Android, this offer is for desktop. So once people are using their Android to browse and they get to see where this offer, they are going to click on it and you're going to make something out from it. But if people are using this same offer on desktop, you are not going to receive anything, and actually it's not going to run on their mobile device. But if you are using this offer, which happens to be a desktop offer, then once people start using desktop and you have this ads or you have your this offer showing on their site, then you are going to make money out from it. So this offer is going to tell them to enter their email. So you can see you have the email sign here, right? So you can see we have the email sign here, which is telling them to enter their email here. So once they enter their email and also using a desktop, you are going to receive $2.31 out from it. So let's look at the third one, which happens to be the iOS. That is the Apple iOS users. So in case I'm using iOS right now here, and I happens to get to know this offer, or once I'm browsing and I get to see this offer, once I click on it, I'm going to, or you are going to earn $2.06 out from it as you are promoting your link to me. So that is basically how it's going to be. So in order for you to receive it, I have to enter my email address into the site in order for you to receive that money out from there. So in case anyone or one person have to click or complete this task for you to earn $2.06, how about 10 people? Just calculate this and start making money with CPA marketing. So basically, let me show you everything here. Now, in case I'm interested in promoting any of this, I have to look out for the net rate conversion. Okay, the conversion rate. Now you can see this one have a conversion rate of 3.07%. This one have a conversion rate 0.0000 and that of that. This means that this type of offer here, people are making good use of it. People are making money out from this kind of offer here, as we can see on the screen. So it is best for us to go in for this particular offer because people are making a lot of money out from it. So you can see the others here are with 0.00 out from there. So, but others also check with the payout, but I prefer with the net conversion rate. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on this in case this is the best offer I want to promote. Now, this is basically how it's going to look like. This is your link here. All you have to do is to just copy this link and share this link with your friends. But before that, we can currently see here install and use the Alabama app. So once anyone install the app and start using Alabama app, I'm going to receive a payout of $1.07 out from it. So this was added to CPA Grip on just June 9th, June 19, 2024. That was last month, which this offer was being added on CPA Grip. So now the first thing you have to know here is the tracking domain. Now there are a lot of tracking domains here, but you can see there are new added to some of the links here or some of the domains here. So make sure you have to select the ones with the new. So you can see automatically this one is with the new. All I have to do here is to just click the link and share. But make sure that this particular offer is going to run on Android users, and also they have to install the app. Basically, it's for people on or at US only. So people at USA only are going to receive this offer. The most reason why I mostly choose USA is they have higher traffic source, and also they have higher payouts. So unlike your country or any country that you can testify or you can make a comparison with, US have a higher traffic payout for people to make money with CPA marketing. So it's best for you to go in for US, Canada, or any higher CPA country in order for you to promote. So this basically offer that we are promoting here is actually going to help us install the app and use the app on Android device and also at US only. So if you're currently not in USA, you're not going to make good use of this particular offer here, and it's going to run on only Android. So all you have to do here is to just copy this link. Once this link is copied, so let's try to enter this link into a new tab and see how it's going to look like on the screen. So once you enter this link into a new tab, it's basically going to show you this. Would you like to make a great career online and that, blah, blah, blah. So the next thing you have to do here is to continue by saying, yes, I'm a that. So it will take you to the next step. And then the last thing it's going to tell you is to provide or enter your email address for you to get verified on this particular website. So you can see it actually tells us to continue with this. And then once anyone clicks on the continue to enter their email address, we are going to make a payout of that amount of money that we saw out there. So you're going to make 1.07 cents out from this. Now, once you copy your link, it's best advisable to target your particular audience or an audience on a particular page. Okay, so you can start promoting your link on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, TikTok, or any other social media you prefer. But please and please again, make sure to build an audience. Make sure to build a page. So you have to start building audience, or you have to start making good use of the social media to have a lot of audience in order for them to click on your links here. Okay, so how do you feel if you are always promoting? So as I said earlier, it's very important for you to build audience. That is the most important thing. So how do you feel if you have been sharing your link in a lot of groups, or you have been sharing your link to people each and every day consistently? You're actually not going to feel comfortable, and also they're not going to make good use of your link because they are going to see you as a spam and always sending links into their groups. So it's best advisable for you yourself to create a page or a group for yourself in order for you to start making money with CPA marketing. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can start running your link. So I've made a video. You can check under the description or check in my videos how you can promote your CPA grip links with Propeller Ads, which is also a good platform which is going to make a good traffic for you to make money with your CPA grip link out here. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this particular video. As I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, like this video, and leave a nice comment. And also don't forget to join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Both the link can be found under the description. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in my next video.